IRS is ramping up efforts right now to address a massive backlog of tax returns and correspondence. The agency actually finished last year with 35 million unprocessed returns. That is 4 times more than the year before. Joining us tonight to talk more about it, including some advice, we hope, some good advice, is Sarah Spodick, the director of the tax clinic at the Quinnipiac University School of Law. Sarah, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
You know, this is obviously a time of year that people don't love necessarily, but you're here to help us maybe make it a little easier. What tips do you have for people?
Well, the 2022 filing season is definitely in full swing. And as of last week, the IRS issued nearly 9 million refunds. So we're off to a good start. But what we're really looking at is that there's nearly, at this point in time, 24 million unprocessed 2020 returns, never mind 2020 returns that are coming through now. So what we expect is that there will still be substantial backlogs.
When you say that there are all of these unprocessed returns from last year, do they have them at the IRS and they just haven't gotten to them yet?
So yes, these returns are returns that have been accepted, but they're all being worked through for some sort of an error that's been flagged on the computer system. So our best advice for 2021 is to make sure that if you have a 2020 unprocessed return, that you follow the instructions of the Internal Revenue Service, where they say now you should put 0 for your adjusted gross income in your tax return. Make sure that you are entering all of your data correctly. Because, for instance, the advanced child tax credit, you're going to need to report how much you received, or your economic impact payment, how much you've received. And if you claim that incorrectly and are flagged by the computer system, you should expect to have an extensive delay in getting your refund.
And that is what I was just going to ask you. People want their money, right? They want their money as fast as they can get it. What is the best way to do that, to get that money as quickly as possible?
The best advice that I can give is to file electronically and have your tax refund direct deposited into a financial account. Check over that return, make sure that that return, it really doesn't have errors on it. Otherwise, you will be facing backlogs of, in just stuck in this awful, awful quagmire that we're all seeing at the Internal Revenue Service.
And before I let you go, if you owe money, because some people have that situation, don't avoid that, right? Maybe work out a payment plan if you can't afford it all at once.
Yes, the best way to do that is to actually go online to irs.gov and enter yourself into a payment plan. I wouldn't hold your breath getting a telephone call answered. Last statistics were 8 out of 9 phone calls to the IRS went unanswered, and that goes for practitioners like myself as well.
Wow. Well, good luck this tax season. We appreciate your help with us right here tonight. Sarah Spodick from Quinnipiac, thank you. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.